Alright, well, my heater's making that buzzing noise in the background, but we have cold stratification. So, the stable temperature has been 56 to 57 down here. And that should be cold enough for cold stratification. And it does not involve electricity. Let's see. Cold stratified temperature. Would be good. For refrigeration. Hmm. 34 to 41 degrees. So it might actually be better to put these out in the stairwell. Would be interesting. Kitty says hi. Want to say hi, Oopser? Hi. It would also solve the is this going to be cat-proof problem. So, but it would not solve the is there going to be snakes problem. Because that's also a thing. Under snow. It's kind of full of spiders and it smells terrible, but that's my external stairwell. And I'm willing to bet that it is above freezing and below 40, so maybe we'll try that. What we're gonna do here is a big bowl of sand that needs to get moistened. We're gonna have a tray, and I'm putting wood chips in the bottom first, and we're putting water in the tray is the idea. I also brought down paper. Oh, that smells so good. A little bit of pine, a little bit of maple. A little bit of cat help. How about me? Go. That might really be all I need. Make more sense probably to pre-wet the sand, but that's not what I did. this is just water in this jug. Okay, it's kind of flowing through. So what we got is cold Stratify up to 9 weeks on Good King Henry. And cold Stratify 2 to 3 months on Cape May Beach Plum. Alright, is it for you? It's not for you. So there's Good King Henry. And there's Cat Help. No. And I'm gonna put wood chips on top. Okay. Cape May Beach Plum time. Hey, that's not for you. I don't know how much you can see, but the kitty thinks that the sand is definitely for them. See? And this is just wet sand. It's going to be kept in a cold area. That's literally all it is. And I think for marking purposes, I'm just gonna poke a stick through the bag and stick it. Oop. Sorry about that humming noise being so pervasive. I'm gonna try adding some music in the background before the editing. Maybe it won't be so bad. Okay. So, to get these actually cold enough. I'll be right back for you. I'm gonna take this and put it in here. So many spider webs. And I'm gonna put this Alright. Unflattering shot is unflattering, but let's see if we can turn on an extra light and help any. No, that's a dead light bulb. But the light bulb that isn't dead shows a little bit. So there's a tray. It's propped up on the board primarily so that the water underneath those wood chips that's wicking up into the sand will stay on this side. It's definitely colder in here because there's no heat whatsoever. I don't know. And we'll check it from time to time. Alright, so that's hopefully zero electric cold stratification of those seeds, but if I need to Ziploc bag those and stick them in the fridge, then that's what we'll do. The general idea is wet sand and the prescribed amount of above freezing but below 41 degrees, and my basement is a lot warmer than I gave it credit for, so I guess that's good for my basement and the pipes. So, yep. Alright. Hope you're having a good one. I think I'm going to call it for this one and say thanks so much for visiting the cliffside. And I hope you're having a good one. This has been Permaculture. Take care. Bye.